Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed already. Today we're gonna learn how to change YouTube channel name. It is a short and simple process. To begin with, open your YouTube application and then go to your profile. You can do that by tapping on your profile icon or profile picture on the top right corner. Then go to your channel. Now click on edit icon just above about. Now tap on your current channel name and update your channel name to a new name. It is that simple. Now you have successfully changed your YouTube channel name. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you face any problems, let us know on the comment section below, and also hit the like button if the video helped you. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon for similar videos.